Are you a restaurant owner looking for boost your orders on Grubhub 2025? You're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, we'll explore actionable strategies to enhance your visibility and increase your sales from the platform. Let's dive right in. Optimize your Grubhub profile. First things first, make sure your Grubhub profile stands out. High quality images and accurate information can increase your orders by an average 15%. Use visually appealing layouts for your menu, highlight popular items, and craft compelling descriptions that entice customers. Don't forget to cater to diverse dietary preferences like vegan or gluten-free options. Leverage Grubhub's promotional features. Next, take advantage of Grubhub's built-in promotional tools. Offer discounts or free delivery for a limited time to attract new customers. Consider creating order bundles or meal deals into increases your average order value. Implement loyalty programs to encourage repeat business. These strategies can significantly boost your order frequency. Enhance the customer experience. Creating a memorable experience is key, considering adding personal touches like thank you notes or complimentary items with orders. This not only delights customers but encourages them to return. Also ensures you're actively managing customer feedback and reviews. Responding positively can enhance your reputation and visibility. Utilize marketing strategies. Don't underestimate the power of marketing. Use social media platforms to share exclusive deals and showcase mouth-watering menu items. Collaborate with local influencers to expand your reach. And consider email marketing campaigns featuring special orders or new menu items to keep customers engaged. By optimizing your Grubhub profile, leveraging promotional tools, enhancing customer experience, and employing effectively marketing strategies, you can significantly increase your Grubhub orders in 2025. Start implementing these tips today and watch your restaurant thrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on boosting your restaurant success. Thanks for watching.